Hey, I'm driving to Mamou. Yep, going to Mamou. We're going to see Cajun Classic Cookware, all right? Cajun Classic Cookware, they make the Cajun Classic Cast Iron. The Cajun Cookware Group, they make the Macware line of aluminum ware products. And they've got a lot of other products too. And they distribute it throughout Louisiana and the Gulf South. And I got invited to go over there and interview Miss Kimberly Bourgeois, all right, who helps run the place, and I'm going to go over and talk to them. So about an hour and 15-minute drive from where I live, and I'm en route now. Stay with us, and we go to Mamou. Well, this is it. Cajun Classic Cookware. C'est bon? Ça c'est bon now. My chef, where you got that pot? All right. This is it. Big white building. Mamou, there's that water tower. Go Tigers. 2019 national champion, 42-25 over Clemson. Look at that pot right there. This is Devin, the delivery guy. He's the first guy I've met here at Cajun Classic, and he wants to be on YouTube.
Hello.
And tell us a little bit about what you do here at Cajun Classic and Macware.
I'm an awesome delivery driver. I get along with a lot of people, and a lot of people love me and give me stuff to eat.
Well, I almost didn't see you. You're Devin, right?
Yes.
I almost didn't see you because you're wearing camouflage.
Okay.
I missed it.
Okay.
He's almost invisible. Devin's leaving, but they just told me he could sing. And you saw the sign out front. They said this is the Cajun music capital of the world. Can you sing Cajun music, Devin?
Oh, I might not know Cajun music, but I know a little Zydeco.
You know Zydeco. Well, Zydeco works, man.
Yes, sir.
What can you do in Zydeco?
Just about everything. I can ride the horse. I go to trail rides, and I love the big Mamou. They bring it in the Mardi Gras.
I can sing some Zydeco too.
Sing some.
You want me to sing some?
Wait, what I'm gonna sing?
I'll sing some.
What I'm gonna sing?
I don't like golf.
Okay.
No, I'm not gonna sing
Y'all
that.
making me ashamed, right? Y'all making me ashamed. Y'all have a good weekend, man.
Right, here we are inside the little showroom you can see when you walk in, and Miss Kimberly is right behind me, but she does not want to be on camera, but she will answer questions. And look at all those jambalaya pots. She told me that one is 28 gallons, y'all, 28 gallons. All right, Miss Kimberly, tell us what the difference between Macware and Cajun Classic is.
Cajun Classic is our cast iron line, and the McWare is our aluminum line.
And that's the cast iron, that's raw cast iron, and the enameled, like that beautiful purple and gold stuff.
Exactly.
And red UL stuff over there. As I show you some of these things and not show you Miss Kimberly, because she don't want to be on camera, she says Devin is the fastest delivery driver they got. He goes to Baton Rouge from Mamou and gets back before 4:30. So, Miss Kimberly, I want to ask you, you said he's a delivery driver. Y'all deliver to what kind of stores?
Mom and pop stores.
Mom and pop stores. That's the cool thing about Cajun Classic. Their stuff is made overseas, but they sell in locally owned stores. Is that right? So when you see this in these stores around Louisiana, pick some up because it's all sold at locally owned mom and pop shops, and that's why I like the Cajun Classic Cast Iron. These are some of the other things they have here too.
I think in Louisiana we wouldn't know how to cook without the oval roasters.
Oh no, you gotta have the
And,
oyster dressing at Thanksgiving time and all that stuff goes in there. Okay, tell us about the Macware line.
Okay, the Macware line is our aluminum line. Macware comes from MC, which is the beginning of my father's last name, McGee, with the end of cookware. So it's Macware.
And if we grew up with stuff like this, you know, that they had it back in the middle, but you can't find the old stuff anymore. But you can still get the Macware line from Cajun Classic Cookware. And I will leave a link below to that as well.
Enamel cast iron is awesome. It retains the heat the same. The only thing that you have to be careful about these is to slowly heat them and slowly cool them because it has to expand and contract. But other than that, I mean, if you're doing an etouffee or you're doing fettuccine, soups, anything.
You're doing a sauce piquant because you got tomato base, and so you need to have an enameled cast iron for sauce piquant.
And that's what I love.
And good idea in gumbo too, right?
Yes, and it's so easy to clean.
What are these rice cookers?
Those are rice cookers.
That's a big one right there.
That's a gas.
All right. In addition to selling their own line of stuff, they have the oyster beds. I don't know if you've seen these online, but it's out of Hammond, Louisiana. Ms. Kimberly, can you tell us a little bit about what the oyster beds are and what they do?
The oyster beds are actually a.
That's her hand, but that's not her. That's not her.
I can't remember the name, but they like have a special aluminum blend. And these work great on the grill. They're awesome in the oven. You can do shucked oysters. You can do shrimp scampi. You can do bacon wrapped chicken with cheese, and all your juices settle in the middle. And these guys are from Hammond. The family's from Hammond, and they help to recycle and replenish the oyster beds all around New Orleans and in the south coast of Louisiana.
I will leave a link below to the oyster. It's called the oyster bed.
The oyster bed.
Let me see here's the brochure right there, and I will leave a link below to oyster bed. So if you're watching this video, you can check that out as well. All right, y'all know I like Old Smokey. If you watch my channel, you know I like Old Smokey Grills, and they have those here at the Cajun Classic Cookware and Macware. Is this the distribution center, the headquarters? What do you call
this? This is the wholesale, and we distribute.
Wholesale and distribution center. And so, you know, I went to Old Smokey's in Houston a few years ago. I'll leave a link to that video down below. But y'all know, a lot of my fans like to watch me because I do cook on the Old Smokey Grills, and they have those here too. All right, these are, tell us about these spoons, and we're going to look at the roux paddles over there too.
These are bamboo spoons. They're pacas. We love this one. It is flat. It works perfectly in the enamel coated cast iron. Doesn't scratch. You can drain your spaghetti, put this on the side of the pot, or you can scramble eggs. These are awesome for avocado. Yeah, pastelaia too. And then we have the corner spoon here, different colors. This is called Americana.
Those are
it gets the
beautiful.
Edge of your spoon.
And where are these spoons made?
These are made in California.
In California. All right, let's take a look at the roux paddles over there.
And these are probably the favorite out of the whole collection. It's the spatula.
The spatula, because it's
not
good
much
for making a
to do.
roux with. It's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous stuff.
You can make roux, you can flip hamburgers, you can fry ground meat with it, scrape the bottom of the pot with it. It will not splinter and does not crack.
And perfect for the enamel. Look
Yeah.
at this, y'all. They've also got the hold your cast iron handles. All right, and this is all their Macware line spoons here. All right, Miss Kimberly's showing us the double ladle.
You scoop your gumbo. If you don't want the juice, you pour it out with the perforated
I
side.
think there's too much broth in the gumbo because you got, you know, all that good stuff you got to get first, right?
That's right.
That is fantastic looking ladle. Awesome.
Okay.
Le petit roux. My French, I'm a Spanish teacher. My French pronunciation is not all that great, but I think I can say that right. Le petit roux.
Yep.
Yes.
All right, there we go. Tell us about that.
This is the petite roux. It's curved and it's beveled here, so you can get in and out your roux jar. It fits in the mouth of any jar, and it also
Surely
gets
that's
around
for the
all the
Cajuns
edges.
that jar their own roux, not people that buy their roux at the store. Right?
Well,
We do
Well,
both.
okay.
We do both. I make my own roux and I buy it.
Oh, you make it? Okay.
I
all
do
right.
both. You gotta share the wealth around
Some
here.
Yankees gonna watch this. They don't know that Cajuns actually buy roux. No. All right. This is the aluminum jambalaya pot, and it weighs 10 pounds. Oh my goodness! I thought it was cast iron.
oh no, it's a
With
5
aluminum
gallon
pot.
pot, and it's anodized.
Yeah.
Anodized aluminum. I've never seen.
That's for all the
Anodized.
people that say it's too heavy to carry that cast iron.
I don't know anybody like that. Look at this handle on there. It springs up. But you got that. Look, that is pretty cool. And I have not seen. You told me there was an aluminum jambalaya pot. I said no, maybe gumbo, but that Amazon's aluminum is absolutely beautiful. You can cook gumbo in it too.
Gotcha.
She says it also does this. Watch this. Now, have you seen a cast iron jambalaya pot do that? That is cool. I got to eat my words because they said they do have hooks on all the aluminum tops on the cast iron jambalaya pot, starting with the 5-gallon and going all the way up, except for the giant 28-gallon. Boy, you could cook for an army in that one. They have this here too. This is that Buzzy Wax cast iron seasoning, and it is supposed to be good. Kimberly, tell us a little bit about the Buzzy Wax.
I love Buzzy Wax. It seasons, but it also conditions. I did this double grill one time.
The whole griddle.
The whole griddle, top and bottom, cooked, then re-seasoned it again and left it outside for 8 months underneath the furniture cover, and it is not rusted at all.
Buzzy Wax.
There are stainless steel paddles. You can
Stainless
use
steel
them
jambalaya paddles.
for the crawfish, to move your crawfish around, stir it, jambalaya, anything that you're cooking with.
Awesome.
And then we have one with the tiger and the fleur-de-lis.
Go Tigers, who dat?
And it says cooking like a Cajun.
That's the way to cook. And I'm not even Cajun, I'm redneck, but you know. My late wife was half Cajun.
Honorary.
And my kids are part Cajun. And that's that grill that I reviewed the other day.
Small hibachi.
I love the small hibachi. I really do like it. So, thank you very much, Miss Kimberly. Y'all got shirts and everything, huh?
Yes.
All
You're going to
right.
be bringing one home.
Oh, wow. I will wear it on the YouTube show. I promise. Thank you very much. And coffee mugs and everything. All right, this is the mural outside the building. Miss Kimberly's going to tell us all about the mural.
Okay, we'll start with the truck on the bottom. We supplied Cajun kitchen since 1960 through Rod Supermarket, which was my grandfather. And the guy playing the accordion, my grandfather played accordion in all the French bands.
That's a fiddle.
Yeah, the fiddle. I'm sorry. He
Okay,
played the accordion
I was
too.
confused. I was looking around through the camera
No.
screen looking for an accordion.
Yeah,
Okay.
the fiddle. And this guy ends up looking just like my grandfather. She's never met him or saw a picture of him, but it was awesome that when she did the mural, it looked like him. And then when you see Happy, that's my dad. They call him Happy. Rodness was his father. And then continuing the McGee tradition is me and my two sisters and my brother.
All right, for the Yankees watching this, tell us what ma share means.
Mesha.
Ma
Like
share.
Mesha.
Ma
Where you
share.
got that pot?
There you go.
It's like my
Ma-
friend.
That's butt. Ma means butt. Ma means butt in French. Like B-U-T, not B-U-T-T, right? And share, that's your loved one, right?
That's like a
But in
friend.
Cajun French,
Mesha
ma
is
is like,
my
wow,
friend.
yeah, ma share.
It's like an exclamation.
I might have that wrong. I'll look it up. But I think that, yeah, she's got it right. Okay. Well, you in the heart of Cajun country when you're in Mamou. Because they throw chickens at Mardi Gras around here. I'm just saying.